Today we are doing a very regular routine maintenance on an air conditioning system. One of those steps for a maintenance is that we clean both the evaporator coil and the condenser coil of your air conditioning system. I want to show you the outdoor unit today on the one that we're working on, because this outdoor unit has quite a bit of dirt collected on it. It also has a lot of grass clippings collected on it. And what happens is, although the system is relatively brand new, with the grass clippings and dirt stuck to the outdoor unit, it's taking away anywhere from 10 to 30% of the energy efficiency of that air conditioning system. So I'm going to walk you over to the unit and show you what I'm talking about, and also show what we do with our maintenance program and how we are able to clean this particular air conditioning system. So here are those grass clippings that I was telling you about. You can see that it's stuck all the way up and down the side of this unit. And I would say, based on that, that's probably got to restrict quite a bit of the airflow to the unit. So we're going to clean that off. Let's take a look at this side over here as he's taking the cover off. Get a little, not as much light on this side of the unit. That's the soap we added a moment ago to wash the dirt out of the condensing coil. Alright, so we've turned off the power hose for just a moment. So this side's coming along nicely. Got a little bit more work to do on that side. And this side we've got most of the grass clippings off, but still got some more stuck to it. And then we haven't even touched this side yet, so this side's got some work yet to be done. So that's Matt behind me. He's still washing down the unit. We want to make sure that we get it as clean as possible and bring back the energy efficiency of this customer's air conditioning system kind of back to its original specifications as a high efficiency air conditioning system. If you are looking for a service company to work on your home's heating or air conditioning system, please give Service Emperor a call. Our phone number is 912-748-4822.